So in this video, I want to talk about coming out with another size for the HTMR gun, a smaller size. So as you know, I have the 5, 7.5, and a 10 horse gun, which is sized for compressors in that horsepower range. But a bunch of you have reached out and said, "Hey Matt, are you ever considering making a lower CFM, a lower horsepower rated gun?" And up until now, I didn't give it much thought because I thought, why would you buy an expensive gun when you really should spend that money on more compressor? But a bunch of you have reached out and said, "Hey, I'm renting a house, I'm renting an apartment, and I can't mess with the electrical system, so I'm limited to 120 volts, running 2 compressors on 120 volts." Or maybe you just have a smaller 220 version. You know, there are 60-gallon compressors out there that are like 3.2 running horsepower and have like roughly 10 CFM or 11 CFM or whatever it is. So what I'm thinking of making is a 3 horsepower version right around the 10 CFM range to kind of fit for people who have those compressors and are in those situations. So what I need from you guys is some input. So in the video description, there's going to be a link, which is also going to be a wait list. And get on the wait list. And also there's going to be a question that says how much horsepower, how much CFM do you want to consume, what size gun you want or whatever. So please answer that question. And what I'll do is I'll poll the results. And then in a week or two, I'll come out with a video to show a prototype gun of the size, and we'll show you how it works. I'll show you how it works and whatnot. So also what the wait list is going to do, it's going to allow me to gauge interest and also the quantity to order for the next batch. Okay, I did a wait list or pre-order or whatever the first time around, and those people on the wait list will get first crack at the batch that's going to come out, and I'm guessing maybe it's going to be 3 to 4 months. By the time we all figure out what size is good and the next order and whatnot, it takes a little bit of time, but at least the people on the wait list will get first dibs on that inventory batch. And last time they sold out. So get on the wait list, help me out with what on the information we need to determine the size, and we'll go from there. And you could also comment in the YouTube comments, that's fine. But if you're serious and you want one, I recommend getting on the wait list so that way you get one. So again, guys, just comment below or get on the wait list and let me know what size you're thinking. I'm thinking 10 CFM, 3 horsepower is what we'll call it, and we'll go from there.